This is the fourth video to help you prepare for the 5th grade Alabama Science Assessment. And in this video we're taking a look at Content Standard number 4, describing forms of energy, including 4 different types. You've got chemical, heat, light, and mechanical. So we're going to look first at the chemical energy related to food, burning, batteries, and matches. So when you eat, you are consuming the food that's going to get down in your stomach, and then there's going to be a chemical reaction that's going to take place as your body begins to digest the food. So the food within itself potentially has the energy for a release of chemical energy once your body consumes it and begins to break it down. Batteries are another form of chemical energy. If they're being used, then they're in the process of producing that chemical energy once the circuit has been closed and the flow of the energy can start to take place through the battery. That's a chemical reaction that's taking place. As they're sitting just here in this photograph, they have the potential to have that chemical energy. And of course, when things are burning, whether you've lit a match or the fire has actually started, that is a chemical reaction that's taking place. That is chemical energy that is occurring. The next type is heat energy, things that give off heat. And it may not seem like, when you think about it, that a refrigerator or an air conditioner would actually be considered things that would give off heat energy. But in order for them to work, they are pulling the heat out of the air, and that ends up generating heat. So if you've ever noticed at the bottom of the refrigerator, it tends to be warm as the air is being blown out, the warm air is being blown out of the refrigerator. The same is true for an air conditioner. It feels nice and cool on the inside, but you go outside where the air is being blown and the exhaust is coming out and it's a lot warmer. It actually takes heat energy to get a refrigerator and an air conditioner to work properly. Other things that create heat, obviously the sun is our primary source of heat. A stovetop, when you turn it on, it's also going to produce heat energy. The third type is light energy. All of these different types of things, fire, the sun, a flashlight, a light bulb, even a lightning bug, all produce light energy. And then the last one is mechanical energy. Things that are moving or that have the potential to move, like if you squeeze down a spring, or if you pull back a rubber band, or if you are in the process of hammering a nail, or a bow and arrow, pulling back, drawing a bow and arrow. All of these things are examples of mechanical energy, and each one of these, before you hit the hammer onto the nail, it has the potential for that mechanical energy. You have that rubber band pulled back, that's potential mechanical energy. If you let it go, then that's mechanical energy in action. The spring being compressed, that is potential mechanical energy, because when you let go of it, it's going to bounce out and stretch itself back out. And the same is true with a bow and arrow. So these are 4 different types of energy: chemical energy, heat energy, light energy, and mechanical.